If you've seen the Infinix Note 40 Pro, which we've reviewed by the way, then you've seen the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. They're similar in terms of build quality and design, but the Note 40 Pro Plus has 5 major changes, which we'll be reviewing in this video. If I had both of these phones in the same color, the only way I'd be able to tell them apart is the 5G inscription on the lower back of the Pro Plus 5G. But what else makes them different from each other? Without further ado, let's talk about that in this video. In your boxing experience, you get the main box and a smaller compartment for the wireless charger. In the main box, you'll find all the essential items you need. One of the changes they made is including a Type-C charger adapter and a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, which is a nice upgrade from the previous one. The regular Note 40 Pro is a 70-watt version and the Pro Plus 5G is 100 watts in capacity. The charging speed with the new adapter is quite impressive, but more on that later in the video. The screens of both these phones are made of Corning Gorilla Glass, which provides good resistance to scratches and cracks. However, I wish Note 40 Pro Plus 5G had Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. This would have given it a bit more of a competitive edge over the regular Note 40 Pro. While this would have resulted in a noticeable price gap between these two models, it could have created a clearer difference between them, given that they have, a little too much in common. Both phones have an IP53 rating, which means they are resistant to water and dust splashes. Overall, the build quality is impressive for both these phones. They both support wireless charging, especially when you're using the MagSafe phone case on them, which provides a satisfactory secure attachment on the back of each one. As you can already see, the design of both these phones are very similar. Both of them have a curved front screen with a hole punch selfie camera. The size of the phones are identical, with the power buttons located in the same position, maintaining an equal symmetry. The left side of both these devices are left empty for a clean look. The top of the phones share a similar design, only that the IR blaster on the Note 40 Pro Plus 5G comes first before the microphone and is closer to the mic than the Infinix Note 40 Pros is. It's just a minor detail. The back of these phones once again looks similar, with the rounded edge square that houses the 3 cameras and the LED light and the glowing halo. The Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus comes in this vintage green and obsidian black, while the Note 40 Pro also has vintage green option. However, the Titan Gold and obsidian black have a matte finish. I prefer the leather-like texture of the vintage green, and I also like that whether you wear the case or not, you get the same color and actual leather on the phone case. The two of them just go well hand in hand and they maintain a consistent look and feel. Just that the phone case has a smoother feel than the phone, but it feels very leather-like. The two phones are exactly 6.78 inches long and they share the same screen to body ratio of 89.8%. Both of them have AMOLED displays with a resolution of 1080p by 2436 pixels and a decent 1300 nits of brightness, which is good for outdoor use. Additionally, you have a 120Hz refresh rate, which is very responsive and fast. While it would have been exciting to see the Note 40 Pro Plus 5G equipped with like a 144Hz refresh rate, doing this would require a more expensive chipset, by the way, and it would increase the price of this phone. Again, I wish there was more than just a slight difference in the size and quality of the displays, something that would set them apart, but this is what we get. The first major difference between the Note 40 Pro and Pro Plus 5G is in the chipset. The Note 40 Pro features the Helio G99 chipset, known for its impressive gaming experiences and visuals and performance. With this chipset, whether you're playing graphic-intensive games, you're streaming HD videos, or you're multitasking between various apps, the phone is supposed to deliver a smooth and lag-free experience. It supports up to 108 megapixel camera resolution. However, this chipset is limited to 4G connectivity. The Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G, on the other hand, is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7020, a 6nm processor that delivers exceptional performance. With this chipset, gaming was a breeze for me. I played games on both these devices for over an hour and there was no lag whatsoever during gameplay. Surprisingly, the phone didn't even warm up at all while playing games. The temperature remained the same all through. Even though I didn't have a case on this phone while playing games, I was impressed by the result. It might have warmed up a bit, a little bit after playing for some hours, of course, but overall, the gaming on this phone is seamless. Another notable feature is the X Boost to enhance your gaming experience. The X Boost feature provides several options that you can use to optimize your preferences when you're gaming, and I think it's very helpful. The MediaTek 7020 chipset in this phone is supposed to offer higher quality video streaming compared to the G99 on the Note 40. However, watching videos on both these phones, I couldn't really tell the difference between both of them, but the quality on both of them were just good. Although the Note 40 Pro and Pro Plus share the same camera sensor, 108 megapixels accompanied by 2 megapixel cameras respectively, the image and video quality differs a bit. The Note 40 Pro produces a more vibrant and saturated image, particularly emphasizing skin tones. It also appears to effectively reduce image noise, resulting in a smoother, almost over-edited picture. Meanwhile, the Note 40 Pro Plus lacks a bit of color compared to the Pro, although it compensates by giving details in the picture, resulting in a more natural look compared to the regular Pro. Both of these phones can also record 2K for up to 30 FPS, and the 32 megapixel selfie camera held up as well. You can see the difference between both of these images. By the way, these images are directly from the camera, none of it is edited. So the selfie camera for both these phones can record in 2K at 30 frames per second, and this is what the video quality looks like from the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. Let me know what you think in the comments. The second major difference between both these phones is not in the storage in itself, but in the RAM. These devices don't have memory card slots, but the Pro Plus 5G compensates with 250 GB of built-in storage, 12 GB of RAM, and the RAM can be expanded by an additional 12 GB of RAM taken for the storage. The storage capacity sets it apart from the Note 40 Pro, which only has 8 GB of RAM, but a similar storage size, and you can also expand it. Two of the main difference between the Note 40 Pro and Pro Plus 5G lies in their battery and charger. The Note 40 Pro has a larger 5000 mAh battery with a 70-watt charger, while the Note 40 Pro Plus 5G has a slightly smaller 4600 mAh battery but comes with a more powerful 100-watt Type-C to Type-C charger. In terms of charging times, the Note 40 Pro took 54 minutes to reach full charge from 0%, while the Note 40 Pro Plus 5G took just 36 minutes to go from 0 to 100%. And considering that the battery is this size, the Note 40 Pro Plus 5G has, good battery life. Under minimal usage, it can last for more than a day. However, under heavy use, it can still manage to go just around 12 hours with the battery life, when you use it for significant tasks. Although, like the Pro version, it comes with this round 15-watt wireless charger in the box, and these phones are capable of charging up to 20 watts with the case put on. The fifth major difference between both these phones is that the processor of the Pro Plus 5G enables 5G connectivity, of course, which means faster, more reliable internet speed, while the Note 40 Pro maxes out at 4G speeds. The Note 40 Pro is currently priced at 396,000 Naira, while the Note 40 Pro Plus comes with a price tag of 450,000 Naira. Notably, there's a price difference of only 54,000 Naira between these two models. But what do you guys think? Do you think this price difference is reasonable based on the differences we've highlighted in this video? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and click here to see the full review of the Infinix Note 40 Pro. This one, just click here. I'll see you in that video.